Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a focused scope, one chapter or a single lesson. Write 5-8 concepts on a draft page so you know what needs notes. Use color coding now, one color per topic, because it saves time when reviewing. Once done, tear off a small sticky and write a single concise idea, definition, or question. Make sure to date it. This helps track revision cycles and prevents misplaced notes later. You should work through the chapter and attach stickies directly beside the sentence or diagram they reference, which reduces flipping. Write 1 to 2 short sentences or a tiny sketch so the note is instantly scannable. Longer thoughts go in your notebook with the same number. Once placed, add a small symbol for question, definition, or example so you can filter during review. Make sure to keep stickies flat and aligned so pages still close properly. Now consolidate. Schedule a weekly 20-30 minute review and transfer the most important stickies into your notebook as permanent summaries. Number and file removed stickies in a topic folder or digital photo album for spaced repetition. If you notice stickies peeling or ink smudging, switch to a pencil or press them fully against the page. Alternatively, reattach to a dedicated index page. Make sure to test one change at a time so you keep what helps you remember best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.